Counsel.
Can you spell it?
CuntSel.
CuntSel?
Yes.
And what's your home address where I send the magazines?
I'm homeless.
Okay, thank you.
She spelled it. Where's she?